In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Robinhood address. This is a quick guide, but I want to make it crystal clear because address can mean two different things depending on what you're looking for. It could be the company's official headquarters, or it could be the address on your own Robinhood account. I'll walk you through both so you know exactly where to look and why it matters. First, if you're searching for the official company address, here it is. Robinhood's main corporate headquarters is located at 85 Willow Road, Menlo Park, California, 94025, United States. This is the headquarters of Robinhood Markets, Inc. You might need this for formal correspondence, compliance documentation, or to verify the company's location. Keep in mind that corporate locations can change over time, so if you're using the address for something important, it's a good idea to double-check it on Robinhood's official website or recent filings. Also, this is a physical corporate address, not a customer support mailing line, so for account-specific help, you'll still want to use the in-app help center or their support channels. Now, if by Robinhood address you mean the address tied to your own account, here's how to find it. Open the Robinhood app, go to Account, then tap Settings. From there, select Personal Information and then choose Address. That screen shows the mailing or residential address you have on file. If you're using a web browser, the path is similar. Head into your account or profile settings, open Personal Information, and look for Address. If you see an old address, you can update it there. Make sure everything matches your legal information, including your city, state, and zip code. Your account address is important because it's used for taxes, identity verification, and official documents like statements and disclosures. Brokerages need an accurate residential address to comply with regulations, so don't leave an outdated address on file if you've moved. Some regions may not allow P.O. boxes as a primary residential address, so use your actual residence whenever required. If you can't find the address section, try updating the app to the latest version, search for address within settings if that's available, or reach out to support for guidance. To recap, Robinhood's company headquarters is in Menlo Park, California at 85 Willow Road, and your personal address lives in Account, Settings, Personal Information, Address. Check the company address for corporate needs and keep your account address accurate for taxes, verification, and documents.